Assalamualaikum dan apa khabar semua. Okey, hari ni saya nak pergi ke ada satu bengkel kamera Sony di Melaka. Cek sini. Okey, nanti apa-apa nanti saya akan upload lah di YouTube. Okey, jumpa lagi nanti. Terima kasih.
Journey with Sony Alpha. Okay, so basically tonight's topic we will be covering is first, who am I, what is photography to me, why am I into it, and why I choose Sony Alpha. But I also like this photo though. And I said I don't care, you guys like it or not, just kidding. Okay, this photo is because of the bouquet and the videos, but this photo is actually small there, but because of the slides we cannot take off. And also you can see the sharpness here, you will not get that. So it's all about patience. You will really wonder like, hey, how you actually get these photos? Those are from mine lah.
Okay, I think most of you haven't seen me before, I guess. Yes, okay. Actually, myself, my name is Han. I'm from Sony Malaysia. Okay, getting an exhibition team. So basically, I'm running all the workshop in Malaysia. So I just came from Johor yesterday, and I did launch in Sony in the past 2 months. There's like so many different things, lenses to camera body. Emphasize the subjects, and all this was taken in 2014. Back then, it was no models. No 8200, 8600, nothing. It was just purely with the the Sony flash, and 3 of them stacked together. I glued them together in one place, and if not, when you take a photo, you will see a dark circle around the frame. This is why the lens has to be compatible. Okay, and I think it's okay lah. Because when you have full frame lenses and a full frame camera, you can control one thing. As soon as you see its eye, it picks up the eye. It picks up the eye. So taking photo is very easy with Sony because it tracks, it knows the person very well, and it goes around it. So Sony is the one to drive this trend. That's why all the camera right now has high autofocus, because even the mobile phone also has it, because it's the trend that is and it can recognize up to 98% of the face, as long as no color. Okay, so it knows the eyes and face. And it hugs on it, it follows it. So later you can get to try. And especially this one just IAF, it follows on the eyes only. If it's an eye, it follows on the eye. Okay, and this you can see very sharp. But this one on the Mark 3. So if you're on the Mark 4, lots of resolution. Okay, next. And this one on the 85 GM. Okay, 85 GM. Same thing with the eye autofocus. And this one 12mm to 1200mm with the extender. Okay, so we have total of, actually right now digital that Sony has three ranges. Normal Sony lens, and then a G and Zeiss lens, and then the best is GM. So GM is the best. Surrounding is suppressed. Okay, previous one. Yeah. That's for the last sensing. Okay. Ini sekarang 360. Sekarang saya fokus pergi depan. Okay. Saya sing song.